go to the left or to go to the right. I guess I'll go to the right. This is the old Katy Trail. Sometimes the trail in front of you disappears to the left, and other times it disappears to the right. And sometimes the trail kicks your butt. Sometimes life is all uphill. All right, I'll quit crying on this chilly morning. Didn't know this path was going to be this long. This is a children's walk. Like the kids are sitting back there like, why are we even doing this? Sometimes the trail is all uphill. Oh. I'm recovering from that uphill. All right. I've always been loud while hiking. Especially when I used to smoke. Sometimes the trail goes on forever. I hear things moving out here in the morning woods north of Kansas City. There's a lot of things moving. I keep looking behind me. Look at this tree. It got broken up and knocked down by a squatch. Some trails lead to darker parts of the trail. Sometimes there's two ways to go. You take a closer look, there was only one way to go. Yeah, that's how life is. Finally, it's all downhill. Smooth sailing. Road goes on forever. We got movement in the woods. Those steps and handrails look like civilization. What? I didn't even see you, bro. I didn't even see you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Where is this babbling at? that's man-made. This one's at least that one's not. This one's obviously man-made. After a very short drive, I think you can go in the tobacco barn. The door is wide open and doesn't say keep out anywhere. So we're gonna walk right into the tobacco barn. I'm not even gonna take the paved path. I'm walking right down the grass, going right into the tobacco barn. And I deserve to. I smoked for 20 years. So I paid for this barn. Well, they didn't let me smoke nothing in there. So, on my way to the overlook. And a tree right in the middle of the thing. That couldn't have been easy. Oh, look who was here. Man, these guys were everywhere. Is that a dog? What is that? While positioned in a stationary vehicle within a developed parking area, I observed a large, unidentified primate approximately 30 feet away. The subject exhibited a massive, broad-shouldered frame covered in dark matted hair, consistent with commonly reported Sasquatch descriptions. Notably, the environment offered minimal natural cover, only 2 small trees and a flat vertical wall. Despite this, the subject appeared to utilize both as concealment. It pressed its body against the wall in a manner suggesting an instinctual reliance on camouflage or environmental blending, despite the mismatch in surroundings. The subject then lowered into a controlled squat near the base of one tree. Its movements were fluid and deliberate. It engaged in what appeared to be foraging behavior, repeatedly collecting small items from the ground and bringing them to its mouth. At one point, the subject abruptly ceased movement and oriented its head directly toward my position. This response occurred without any obvious stimulus, indicating a possible reliance on scent detection or heightened situational awareness. It then rose to full height, displaying long arms in a forward-leaning posture, and repositioned behind the tree. From there, it engaged in repeated visual checks, peering from alternating sides of the trunk. The subject paused and engaged in a brief act of territorial marking. This behavior was partially visible from my vantage point and appeared consistent with known mammalian scent marking patterns. Immediately afterward, the subject initiated rapid departure. Its locomotion was powerful and efficient, covering ground with long, quiet strides. It moved directly toward a cluster of dumpsters behind the lot, suggesting a learned association between the location and a reliable food source. The subject obviously had an erection and raised its arms in a mating call. I was told by an employee that the dumpsters are constantly vandalized and stolen from, and routinely used as a toilet. If you have a Sasquatch sighting, report it to your local authorities promptly. They are very dangerous, reeking of a foul, pungent odor, like a combination of urine and vomit. Here are 3 images. This is the first one. Do you see the Squatch? This second one. This one's really obvious. Do you see the Squatch? And finally, the third picture. Do you see the Squatch? Here's one more. Do you see the Squatch?